Welcome back, everyone. Happy 4th of July. We've done the blue, we've done the white. Now we're going to do the reddish. We're going to do a blackberry refresher today. To start off, we're going to take 5 massive blackberries. We're going to put those into our shaker tin, and we are going to muddle. No touchy, my stuff. Mine. Okay. All right, we're going to use 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1 ounce of sparkly simple syrup. Note to self, you do not have to have sparkly, but I'm bougie.
And you haven't gone to the store.
And I haven't gone to the store, but that's, you know what, cameraman? I'm still looking for a cameraman if anyone's interested. Last but not least, we are going to add 2 ounces of vodka. Apply below.
What?
Apply in the comments. All right, we're going to add ice to our shaker tin. We're going to shake from about 15 to 20 seconds, give or take, until it's ice cold in your hand. Unless you have a very vigorous shake, then you can do it for less. AKA me. No
So
drippy.
sad.
No drippy. Sorry. All right, I have my Collins glass here. I'm going to attempt to add some ice to it. My ice, you know what? I'm having a day. Vacate. Take flight. So we are going to double strain. There is going to be a decent amount of pulp with this one just because of all the blackberries that we muddled. So keep that in mind. Ooh. Okay, so it's more maroon than red. But wait, there's more. We're going to top with soda water. And then we are going to use a stirring spoon. We're going to just kind of mix that up. Incorporate the soda water. Yeah, maroonish. We're going to go with maroonish. For our garnish, we're going to use a fresh blackberry on a skewer and just kind of stick her right in there. Ah, beautiful. There we have our blackberry refresher. That's reddish. Reddish. It is what it is. Of course, we're going to take out the pointy object so Juliana doesn't die or lose an eye. I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm also going to rate it. 1, I would have this cocktail once and then move on to the next one. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see where we're at today. I'm actually genuinely surprised I don't smell any blackberry, which is really strange, but to each their own. Oh, that's got a beautiful, it's a very light cocktail. You don't get slapped in the face with the blackberry. You can taste it, but this is so light. It's almost like a sparkling water, to be honest with you. You don't taste the vodka. You get a nice brightness from the lime, but you don't really taste the lime. It just kind of brings that blackberry to the forefront, and it just makes it shine. And again, light bit of blackberry. This could be a very, very dangerous cocktail. There is still 2 ounces worth of vodka in here, but you cannot taste it. I'm sorry, I got to give this one a 5 out of 5. It's so good. It's so easy to drink. You are going to hate yourself in the morning on this one. I'm not going to lie. Of course, ingredients are listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail at home, especially if you're going to a 4th of July party. This guy is going to be the main event. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and of course, everybody, I hope you have a safe and very happy 4th of July. Cheers.